I'm always doing the most. Finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back. Let it swing right back.
Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. So today's video is just a simple demo. We have some new glitters on the website and I thought I'd just do a demo for you guys. So I'm using Vanity, which is one of the new chameleon colour shifting glitters. They are honestly absolutely freaking gorgeous. So I'm just using a practice tip and the tip stand that we have available, and I'm just applying Vanity to the tip of this nail tip. And I'm just using crystal clear acrylic to do that and patting it and moving it around into place so that I have full coverage with the glitter. When you're working with chunky glitters, you just want to be a little bit more kind of thoughtful of where you are placing them and just move them around into position. The other way that you could get a really good full coverage fast is, for example, I could have applied a dark like a purple acrylic underneath, and it would just fill in all the gaps, so I wouldn't kind of need to move that glitter around and be so finicky with it. I just wanted to let you guys know as well, the nail set that I have on my right hand with the pink and the mint, that video is up, so if I remember I'll link it below, but if not, it is already on my channel. Once I have my glitter placement finished, I'm coming in with toasted rose, and I'm going to do this in 3 to 4 beads just because I want to make sure I get a nice blend over that glitter. So I'm applying my first bead right where the glitter finishes, and I'm just blending down nicely with the tip of my brush, and then I'll blend the bead back up to the nail just because you don't want a ridge there. Sometimes you can place the next bead and then when you're filing and you do your top coat at the end, you'll kind of see a line within the nail bed area, and it's never a great feeling seeing that. So it's always important to have everything blended and flush. So I'm coming in with my second bead. I'm going to apply that over the top and blend it down, and then I'll do my cuticle bead and do exactly the same. And then I do add a little bit more of that toasted rose over the glitter just because I wanted the ombre vibe just going down the nail a little bit more. So as you can see, I have worked nice and thin. Everything is as thin as possible, but still like looking really nice. Now that I'm finished with that, I'm going to come in with crystal clear acrylic, which is available on my website. And I'm just going to encapsulate the entire nail from where the cover powder starts and ensuring that I encapsulate all of that chunky glitter. And then I'm going to file them both, and I'll be back to add some art inks. So using the violet and the yellow art inks, I'm just going to go ahead and apply them randomly over the nail. I really thought that these would look nice together because the glitter is kind of a green gold and it changes to a purple, or it's purple and changes green gold, kind of depending on what light you're looking. So I wanted to kind of incorporate that in the ink, so I randomly added the yellow and the violet ink. And you just want to really build these up and make sure that you have enough on there so that when you come to disperse it, you get those kind of marbling, vein-like looking things. Do you know what I mean? You don't want to just do one swipe of the ink and blend it out. You want to really build up that ink colour, and then you want to come in and blend it out with the Blend It formula. So I'm just going to apply that and then disperse it out. So I'm just coming in with Blend It, which is going to really just disperse and merge together those colours, creating like random patterns. You really have to be kind of sparing with it. You don't want to just mush everything together, so you just dab bits here and there and think, oh yeah, I'll have a bit here, I'll pop a bit there, let it do its work, and then add some more. Like, less is more, and then you can just keep adding where you need to. And once you're happy with the design, I am gonna then top coat. I didn't really know what I was doing with this nail. I just wanted to kind of have a play around. We had some new glitters, we had the inks, and I had a little bit of time to just do some nails, just some single nail tips. So this is one of them. I really do love how it turned out. I think it'd look gorgeous with some nice Swarovski designs as well. So now I'm coming in and I'm just going to apply Super Gloss, which is the most glossiest top gel ever, like in the entire world. Like, I absolutely freaking love it. Look how gorgeous. I mean, yes, please, look at that high gloss shine. So freaking beautiful. And this is cured in the light, and this is also the final result. I think a full set of these with obviously some different added designs would look bomb. But yeah, absolutely freaking gorgeous, and that ink just adds a real depth and character to the nail. And I love the colour shift on these glitters. Absolutely stunning. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little demo. I hope you've been loving my massive amount of uploads. Always remember that you are bomb.com, lit as fuck, and don't ever let anyone tell you any different, because you've got this and I love you. Mwah. Bye.
I'm always doing the most. Finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back. Let it swing right back.